My name is Sky. I'm come from G3B. My present is horse. I know about horse. I learned riding horse for 1 year, and I go to racing horse, and I got the second place. And I love to ride a horse because the horse was easy to ride and the horse was nice to me, and the horse knows a lot. Thank you. My name is Nick. I say class G3. Today I will teach person. Cactus have many spines and they can live in the desert, so they cannot die. If have much rain, they would die. If it don't have rain, they will stay and live. The sun made them live and do not die. Hello, my name is Foam. Today I'm going to talking about oral. Oral is pen of sea. Oral can protect any fish. Oral is place for some fish to live. Oral protect fish from predator. Oral have lot of color. They have all color. The oral eat the plankton for food. Oral eat plankton for food because plankton is little than oral. Oral is one of the plants that on sea. Oral live on the bottom of sea. Oral is first plant of the sea. Oral can live for 600 years. Oral can one day oral eat plankton like 2,000 or more than that. Oral use energy from sun to live. Oral needs sun to live because if it didn't have sun, oral can't live because oral get light from sun to grow. Finish.